Hey, awesome dreamers and future digital dynamos. Have you ever wondered how brands connect with you online? That's the magic of digital marketing. Entry-level digital marketing jobs are your launchpad into this exciting world. These roles are perfect for recent grads or career changers. They give you the chance to learn the ropes from experienced pros. Plus, you'll be part of a fast-paced, ever-evolving field. Think of it like this. Every scroll, click, and like is a chance to make a difference. You could be crafting compelling content, managing social media buzz, or optimizing websites for search engines. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Ready to rock the digital marketing world? Awesome. Let's talk about the skills that'll make you a total superstar. First up, communication. You'll be connecting with people all day long, from writing captivating copy to crafting engaging social media posts. Next, we've got analytical skills. Think of yourself as a data detective, uncovering insights and using them to optimize campaigns. Being tech-savvy is key. You'll be navigating various tools and platforms, so a love for all things digital is a must. And let's not forget creativity. Digital marketing is about capturing attention and inspiring action. Bring your A game when it comes to fresh ideas. Finally, time management is your secret weapon. You'll be juggling multiple projects and deadlines, so staying organized is essential. Excited? You should be. With these skills in your back pocket, you'll be well on your way to digital marketing domination. So you're ready to jump into the exciting world of digital marketing. Amazing. But with so many different roles, it can be tough to know where to start. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Social media manager. Do you live and breathe social media? This could be your dream gig. You'll create engaging content, manage communities, and track those all-important metrics. Content writer. Are you a word wizard with a knack for storytelling? As a content writer, you'll craft blog posts, website copy, and more to captivate and convert audiences. SEO coordinator. Ever wonder how websites magically appear at the top of Google searches? That's the power of SEO. As an SEO coordinator, you'll optimize websites for search engines, driving traffic, and boosting visibility. And these are just a few examples. The beauty of digital marketing is that there's a role for every passion and skill set. The best part? As you gain experience, you can climb the ladder, taking on more responsibility and earning a higher salary. Talk about a win-win. Alright, you've got the skills and the passion. Now, it's time to show the world what you're made of. Building a portfolio is like creating a highlight reel of your awesomeness. It showcases your skills and experience to potential employers. No worries if you're just starting out. There are tons of ways to build up your portfolio. Volunteer to manage social media for a local business. Write blog posts for websites in your niche, or offer to help friends and family with their online presence. Networking is another powerful tool in your arsenal. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to reach out to professionals you admire for informational interviews. Remember, you are your own best advocate. Put yourself out there, showcase your skills, and watch the opportunities roll in. You've honed your skills, built an impressive portfolio, and now it's time to land that dream digital marketing job. First things first, tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific role. Highlight your relevant skills and experience, showcasing why you're the perfect fit. Next up, rock that interview. Practice your answers to common interview questions, research the company beforehand, and don't forget to prepare some thoughtful questions of your own. Remember, an interview is a two-way street. It's a chance for you to learn more about the company and see if it's the right fit for you. And here's a little secret. Don't be afraid to start small. An internship or part-time role can provide invaluable experience and open doors to bigger opportunities down the line. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this.